Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the exact Swift toolchain and runtime you are using so binary mismatches don't sabotage execution. Run Swift version and check path. Once done, confirm environment variables like LD library path point to your runtime libraries. Make sure the executor binary exists and has execute permissions. If it was built on another machine, rebuild locally. These steps eliminate the most common causes, so you can concentrate on actual runtime behavior rather than basic setup problems. You should reproduce the failure under controlled observation. Run the executor with verbose output to capture internal errors and logs. Then inspect shared library resolution with LDD or AUDL to confirm the loader finds all dependencies. Next, trace system calls using strace or dtruss to reveal permission denials, missing files, or fork/exec failures. Once you combine logs, linker output, and syscall traces, you'll see whether the problem is configuration, missing symbols, sandboxing, or an internal Swift You now apply targeted fixes based on diagnostics, rebuild with the correct toolchain, set environment variables, or loosen sandbox permissions as required. Once done, validate with a minimal reproduction that exercises the executor, then run the full test suite to ensure no regressions. If execution still fails, capture full logs, create a reduced repro, and enable debug symbols to get stack traces. This lets you iterate quickly, if needed. Revert changes, and try a different hypothesis informed by new traces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.